All right, guys, I'm just going to talk about what I see on Bitcoin and why I think it's about to do a big move. First of all, it's been very quiet for some time. So a lot of people are probably thinking that it's not going to go too far. I think in this case, we are going to get some movement. And I'll tell you why. First of all, we continue to be on a weekly lower high pattern. You see, you have the high here, low, lower high, lower low, and another lower high up here. We were unable to breach this high up at 72,800. So as far as I'm concerned, we're still on a weekly downtrend. Second thing is that we now have a daily downtrend to go with it, where you got a high, low, lower high, and a lower low. There's a little bear flag playing out right now on the daily. That is the first time we've had a daily downtrend since April. Last time we had a daily downtrend was over here. High, low, lower high, lower low. And then it was an uptrend from there. We had a low, high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, lower high, but a higher low. Okay, you see that? So we have the first daily downtrend in months. We continue our weekly downtrend. Okay, and those are the two main signs that I'm looking at. And if you look at some of the ETFs, let's look at IBIT, which is the biggest one. A lot of volume at the highs. Months back, okay? Look at the volume on the high on the candlestick where it hit the all-time high. It was the highest volume ever. So a lot of people bought right at the all-time high, and you can see it's been struggling around that area. And it looks to me, based on how long it's been moving around here, combined with the downtrends that I see, it looks like distribution up here. So distribution is basically when the big guys are selling slowly onto the little guys, but they're trying not to raise any red flags. So they're building up positions. You could see the hedge funds have built up a short position up against Bitcoin. There's a reason why. You know, I'm personally, I'm not like betting against the hedge funds and the big guys. The big guys are doing what they do. Usually the little guys lose. So I have a few signs several signs that are saying we might get a decent move this time around. And the targets I'm looking at, I'm really looking at this yellow line over here, the lighter yellow line, which is the 50-day moving average. I think what we're going to do is we're going to get a pretty big down move in this day, down to around these levels. And then we're going to get a bit of a pickup, and then we're going to chug sideways for a few days. That's what I'm looking for right now. That's what I see. Obviously, I could be wrong. Nothing's for sure. But I got enough confirmation at this point to have taken the trade.